Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made my all-natural avocado hair mask. In the first part of the video, I'm going to show you how I put my ingredients together to create the hair mask. In the second part of the video, I'm going to show you how I kinda tried, maybe dyed my hair, and then I also added the hair mask to make my hair super silky smooth. These are all your ingredients. You will need argan oil, Castro oil, rice oil, jojoba oil, mayonnaise, avocado, banana. Cut the avocado. You're gonna scoop it out with a spoon. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Some more, scoop the other half. Here goes some avocado. Now time for your oil. I added way more oil than you see me adding here. I also added olive oil, extra virgin olive oil to it, and avocado oil. Now time for mayonnaise. I'm gonna squirt a little mayonnaise in there. Some bananas. They're pretty good for you. And crack an egg. Add an egg. Mix it up. Put the top on and blend it all up. Now look at that creamy. Creamy. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Leave a comment below if you have any comments, any suggestions on how I could improve my recipe, my avocado recipe, or how I can dye my hair in a better way. If you also leave a comment with an avocado, 3 avocados, I will shout you out on my next video. Thank you.